welcome back to part 5 in this transformational series as I continue working on my VW T3. Taken me so far 20 days to get the van to the point where we're at. Majority of the welding and sanding done. The start of painting the inside. Looking as well to get someone to start doing the masticing, so we'll see how that unfolds. Enjoy this video, let's get into it. So we pick it up here, sanding down the recently painted floor in the cabin. Predictably, as we worked away, we continued to find little holes that needed to be welded. A lot of these holes had been patched up with fiberglass. Hoping now we're going to get the welding moving, inshallah. This guy is Melon, huh? He's back. He's back. Aourir, what are you doing? Melon, huh?
Oh wow, look at that. Another lovely surprise. The gift that keeps on giving. It's a nice one, man. Nice hole. We love it. We love holes. More shit to fix. More mastic to fix, but we like to fix. We like to fix it.
Discovering a cave, man. It's not a hole.
I told you though, didn't I? I said this is what I had a hole. I didn't say how big or small the Wahala hole is. Can't deny beauty of it. Huh? What do you think?
Holes everywhere.
No, that. Yeah, no word. This is what keeps us busy. This is what we live for. We live for this stuff. Oh wow, this is a serious hole. Vidra! Everybody here?
Mohammed. مزيان no? واحد اخر ياك لحفتك ملم ها
Maestro. Inshallah, غدا no? غدا.
I'm getting absolutely nowhere today. Need welding, so that's pretty much the same situation that I find myself in every day. Need more welding done. I can't do it and the guy is not available. However, still is other things to do. So I'm taking more paint off and stuff in some other areas. And my friend Badder is unavailable today, so yeah, demotivated. But such is life. We carry on. Today is day 23. Wow. We're taking this window out. The worst bit of rust is here. It's nothing in relation to the front windows. Just started taking away. But basically, yeah, I'm going to work today here, clean up this whole section all the way around, and we're going to hopefully put it back before the end of the day. Ashiria! So here we go. We've managed to get everything prepped for the Blackson, which is like a hard material paint used in these sort of areas. Good to go. Decided in the end to go with a shiny finish to cover over the Blackson that we'd already put down previously, just mainly to protect it all and seal it. So here we go. The floor is dry. That is how it's going to stay. I was going to try and paint it blue, but I'm done. I just can't keep painting this floor. It's had 3 different coats. So yeah, man, that's how it's going to be. I'm happy with it though. It's looking good, nice and strong. It's not quite dry everywhere, but getting there. first midweek day for a month that I've not worked pretty much, but it's very much needed. It's all got a bit on top for me. I feel like a little bit frustrated with the way things have been working, so I'm kind of in a space where I'm like, just need to chill. Be happy with how the kind of paintwork has turned out inside, and that's kind of a pretty important step to be complete, so I'm really grateful for that. But at the same time, obviously, yeah, feel like I'm trying to always keep pushing the project forward, and it's like, it can be, yeah, it's hard to get things moving and get things done. So yeah, man, I'm just taking a bit of time today to chill and do something different, just relax.
I went and got a piece of wood cut just around the corner from the garage, which will be used to hold the electrical system in place.
To leave Morocco today to go back to England for a few days. It's all just gone absolutely pear-shaped, to be honest. Trying to get everything back in the van and safe for the period that I'm back has been a challenge for us. Thanks of course for watching this video. I'm hoping that all goes to plan. I'll be back here in a week, cracking on with the van and with the next part in the process.